Hey guys, today we're back into another video. As you can see, you spawn right here, right next to our ruin portal. And by the way, this is the loot of the ruin portal. And if we take the flint and steel, and wait, there's a village too, with 4 blacksmith that have amazing loot. And this is the combined loot of all the blacksmith. Wait a minute. And right here, this is the combined loot. And plus, if you go here, you will find the end portal, or I mean the stronghold. Right here. Yep, and go down and here. Oh, and by the way guys, if we take the obsidian and go to the ruin portal, right here, and if we finish the ruin portal, and I will go to the nether and I will post it for right now. And now we're in the nether and let's wait no let's do audio. But I made a tunnel, and if you go here and go down and right around here, wait a minute please, oh sorry, right here you will find the spawn right here. And now if you go up, I mean a fortress, whatever you call that, and if you go here, right here you will find a bastion. Oh, and by the way guys, that's it. Like and subscribe. Bye. See you in the next video.